Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find a common issue in OBS Studio when your video capture device isn't showing and all you see is a black screen. It's actually pretty simple to fix, so just follow along and I will guide you step by step. First, launch your OBS Studio. Obviously, you can open it from your desktop. Once OBS is opened, look at the main screen. You will see a few different panels. We have focusing on the source panel right here on the left side down. This is where all your video and audio inputs are live, and it's key for fixing this problem. Click on the source panel and check the list of input you have added. So right here you can see what I have. So now make sure to choose the right one, so I will choose this one. Once you find your device, right click on it, or here you will see some small area where you can click on the settings. So click on that, and here you will see that is not activated. So you will need to activate this. If your capture card isn't showing or only shows a black screen, it might just be inactive. Click that so that you activate it and will start using your video input. In most cases, this fixes the black screen problem right away, and that's it. Your video capture device should now be working and showing up in your OBS preview. So as you know, OBS Studio is really powerful, and knowing a few troubleshooting tricks like this can save you a lot of frustration. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.